Hi there, my name's Phil Higgins and welcome to the Ventures Onsite News Update for the second week of September 2020. Well, a special thanks this week to Janavco, our sponsor for this week's news. Janavco is a UAE-based company for the supply of commercial vehicles, road construction equipment, quarry and mining equipment and many other services. For more than 50 years, Janavco has represented some of the world's leading brands for supply to this region for construction and industrial equipment. Well, in the news this week, in Saudi Arabia, Tatweer Building Company, TBC, announced the preferred bidder for Wave 1 of the Schools PPP contract consisting of 60 public schools in Jeddah and Mecca for the Build, Maintain and Transfer BMT track of the Public-Private Partnership Program. The consortium of Ajyad Knowledge for Education and Training and Bawani Company submitted financial offers of $23 million for the 60 schools, according to a press release. The project's construction phase is 3 years and will be followed by a 20-year maintenance program provided by the private sector. Well, ADNOC Onshore, a subsidiary of the Abu Dhabi national oil company ADNOC, has awarded 2 engineering, procurement and construction EPC contracts with a combined value of approximately $245 million to China Petroleum Pipeline Engineering Company Limited and Target Engineering Construction Company LLC. The contracts will include upgrading 2 main oil lines, a crude receiving facilities at the Jebel Dhanna terminal in the emirate of Abu Dhabi. The contract is expected to be completed in 20 months. Well, the Landmark Group has signed a 2.6 megawatt peak solar agreement with Yellow Door Energy and Amana Investments. As the first joint venture between Yellow Door Energy and Amana Investments, the solar agreement will bring clean energy to the Landmark Group's state-of-the-art, fully automated 1 billion dirham Omega DC warehouse in Jebel Ali Free Zone, Jafsa in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. Over 6,000 solar panels will be installed to generate over 4,200 megawatt hours of clean energy annually. Construction is expected to start in late 2020 and the solar plant is expected to be completed by spring 2021. In Oman, Larsen & Toubro's power transmission and distribution business has secured a package to construct 400 kV overhead lines connecting 3 grid stations. The high-capacity transmission lines will interconnect 3 major transmission systems to improve dispatch coordination and grid security. Well, the Muscat National Development and Investment Company, ASAAS, has signed an agreement with the Office of the Minister of State and the Government of Musandam to develop the Basha Beach project in the province of Khasab in the Musandam Governorate at a cost of approximately $23.37 million. The agreement comprises developing an area of approximately 73,000 square meters to include the master plan of the project, including a tourist resort with a wadi, campground, resort garden, spa, retail center, specialty restaurants, pool deck, education center, a plaza, as well as parklands and trails. Well, in Bahrain, the ITMA Development Company IDC, the development manager of Dilmania, has awarded the design and supervision contract of the Dilmania Mosque to MSCEB architects and engineers. According to IDC, the mosque will include a prayer hall with the capacity for 200 worshippers, segregated male and female worship areas, a multi-use community hall and a library reading hall, as well as a car park. An Egypt-Chinese consortium between Samcrete and the Arab Organization for Industrialization, with China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation and the China Railway Construction Corporation, has won the bid to construct the high-speed rail project between Al Sokhna, the administrative capital, and Al Amin, covering 543 kilometers. The rail system will reach speeds of up to 250 kilometers, and the project is estimated to cost $9 billion. The railway will pass through the cities of 6th October, Burj Al Arab, and Alexandria. Well, on the 29th of September, Ventures Onsite will be hosting the next webinar in their series that takes a close look at the construction activity throughout the region. This month we focus in on the UAE. While the rest of the world is calling it a time of uncertainty, we ask, what will the future look like for the region that has in the past shown resilience and determination to succeed? Is there hope in the UAE for a quick recovery, or is it that the future is uncertain like the rest of the world? We speak with industry leading professionals to understand the future for the region's construction activity for building, infrastructure and oil and gas sectors. You'll find a link in the description below so that you can register for this free event. Well, that's it for this week. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to our channel so that you can be kept informed with the latest construction news throughout the region and all future developments here at Ventures Onsite. Well, we hope this news update has helped you stay informed so you stay competitive. My name's Phil Higgins and this is Ventures Onsite Live.